안녕하세요, 여러분입니다. And Lily, yay! So I apologize, Lily's not wearing any pants, but I will be doing her makeup. She loves makeup. Do you love makeup? She loves makeup. So she always wants me to do her makeup, and I'm like, oh, but you're a baby. I shouldn't be doing your makeup. But she likes it, and I can understand that because she always sees me, doing my makeup and stuff, so it makes sense. But yeah. Okay, Lily. I was gonna do. You really excited? Can you take out your passy? Thank you. Let's see. Let's clean your nosy too. Wipe your face because you got chips all over it. This is a little chip baby, y'all. She loves chips. You're so cute. My pretty princess. Mommy, pretty princess. 이거 춥죠? So I'm trying to open my new box of cotton pads. I didn't open them yet, and I really need to open them because I also need to use these to clean my face later. And I don't actually, a lot of people clean their face before they do their workouts, but I don't do that. I don't want to use that time to, I don't want to spend time washing my face before I work out and then hopping in the shower, to clean my face again. That's just a waste of time for me. So I don't like that. I know it's better for your skin if you do, but I've never done that, and my skin has become clear before. So what I do for Lily, I use this. This for Lily. This is also what I use. Blueberry Rebalancing Cleansing Water. It's just a great little cleansing water I got from Innisfree, one of my favorite little places. I love the smell of it. No real smell, no harsh chemicals. I've used this on Lily in smaller areas just to test to make sure she doesn't have any allergic reaction to it. Close your mouth. Good. Good job. It smells good, right? But I'm doing this to get the dirt off her skin. Look, even though she's a baby, she has dirty skin. She plays, kids play so much, and people are like, you don't really have to give a kid a bath every day. And I'm like, okay, that's great. But at the same time, it's she is about to be 3. Oh my gosh, this is pretty bad. Yikes. That's a lot of dirt. And that's even after I wiped with a wet wipe. So please do note that wet wipes do not actually clean your skin. You need an actual cleanser like this one. So I'm just going to. That's cold.
Mommy, makeup.
I know. Mommy's going to give you the makeup. Okay. So for Lily, I always just do the blush first.
Yes.
Yeah, I know. I'm going to do it.
Oh my God.
It's not all gone. This thing has been like this for 2 years. It has lasted Mommy a long time. Let's put you some blush.
No blush.
This is blush. Why am I doing it? I'm doing it, okay? I don't really know much about makeup, guys. So, some of you will be like, what are you doing to that poor child? And I will try to, and you will see close up after I'm finished. But, it's not really a lot that I do for her makeup because she's a little baby. And people are like, you should put her in beauty pageants and try to get her into modeling. I'm like, that's great and dandy, except we are not in Seoul. If we lived in Seoul, then okay, maybe. Sorry, left my brush at the desk. I said, if we're in Seoul, sure, I can see her doing modeling. But we are in Wonju, which is about an hour outside, so I feel like.
What the noise?
What's what noise? What color do you want?
This purple.
You want purple? Okay.
Yes.
You close your eye. Let's move that out of the way. Ooh, purple. Mommy loves the purple on you. purple 좋아해요? 다른 색 어때요? 다른 색도 what about yellow?
옐로 좋아요.
yellow 좋아요?
옐로도 없어요.
Yeah, yellow 없어요. 맞아. We have no yellow. I mean, this one has like a goldish hue, but no yellow. That's what she just said. We don't have yellow. Ooh, girl, that purple looks good on you. Yes, yes. Okay, hold on. Let's do your upper eyelid as well, because this color is just gorgeous on your skin tone. This purple looks fabulous. I mean, this purple looks good on me too, but you know, it looks even better on you, mommy baby. Mommy baby gorgeous. Okay. And what else we gonna do? Mommy's gonna do some highlight for you.
Hurry!
Yeah, that's what I put on your face the other day, and I put way too much. So I put highlighter on Lily the other day, and it was scary. I mean, so scary. She looked, oh my gosh, she looked like she took a glitter bath. And I was like, oh, that's what highlighter really looks like. And you know, I can't, like, when I look at highlighter in my little mirror, I can't really tell that I have highlighter on. Like, I don't know. I'm very particular about makeup.
Mommy,
I'm trying to work on new makeup styles for myself. What? It's okay. No monster. I'm trying to work on new makeup styles. This is the highlighter. I just cleaned the brush. So I'm just adding highlight to the already. Oh, that's pretty. To the already blush color.
Good morning.
Yeah, it's good morning. It's almost nighttime. And I'm sad because today's Wednesday, so we can't go to No Brand to buy rice.
Mommy, good night.
Mommy's gonna put some highlight on your nosy.
Mommy, good night.
Ooh.
Mommy, good night.
We're not going night-night yet. Ooh. Yay, your nose is cute and shiny. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. Okay, Mommy's gonna try to curl your eyelashes. Lily already has gorgeous eyelashes, but I've always wanted to do the mascara.
Are we done?
No, I'm not done. I always wanted to do mascara on her just to see how it looks. And we haven't done this one before.
Okay.
Okay. That feel weird. It feels weird?
Yes.
Okay, don't move. Don't move. So I can do the other side. Her eyelashes really look like fake eyelashes. They're so beautiful. Wow! Wow! They look even more awesome. How is it possible? You want some lip color? Okay, wait. Let me go get the lip color. I didn't put lip color on today. Whoa! I like my makeup today.
Me too. I like makeup.
I know you like makeup. Okay, and let's see, Lily. What color lips do you want?
Red.
You want
pink.
that pink? Okay. You know, and because she is a kid, I let her decide what she wants to wear for makeup when I do stuff like this. Sorry, I have to clean off this makeup thing because it is pretty gross. There's like gel on it from hair gel, I think. I don't really know. This one just kind of sits in the bathroom because it broke. The case broke.
Yucky, yucky. Boo, boo, boo.
What are you doing? Your feet are dirty. You got glitter on your feet.
Get on my feet?
Mm-hmm.
Where? Where? Here?
Yeah.
I don't know.
You're gonna clean it off? Okay. Let mommy put this on your lip. You ready? Uh-oh. I need another paper towel. My hand. I don't know why my finger is so wet. Ew, yucky. Yucky. And I did have a lip brush, but it's covered in powder. Because as I said, this thing broke. And it broke by falling down. Oh, mommy messed up a little bit. It's okay, mommy, fix it. You're so beautiful. You rub your lips together?
Mama.
Not down there. Okay. No! Okay, stop. Let me see. Go like this. Okay. Let me see. Let's get up close so everyone can see how you look. She's looking at her reflection. Let me see. So I can see your face. You give a big smile. Yay, you're so pretty. What are you doing? That's Lily's makeup. It's more of like, I guess it's more of like stage makeup with the way I did it. Her blush is like so intense. But I love it. She's gonna love it too. She just loves makeup, period. Oh, you're so cute. Anyways, thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Lily, you gotta tell them. You say, please subscribe to our channel.
Please go to our channel.
Say, 안녕.
안녕.